Hello and welcome to TechByTosh. My name is Toshit, and in this video we will learn about how to share your screen in Teams meetings. You might want to share a particular screen or maybe a YouTube window playing a video. Let's see how we can share that. So I'm currently into Microsoft Teams meeting. Now to share my screen, I need to go and click on the share content icon. Once I click on that icon, I get presented with a small menu. Now under that, I get to see screen option. I'm actually seeing two screens because I am actually using two screens. Now let's go ahead and click on the second one. So once I click on that one, it is now sharing my screen. The Teams window has minimized. Now whatever application I had behind the team window is actually being shared now. Now, whatever applications I open on this screen will be shared with my audience. So behind that, for example, if I open, a browser window, this is being shared. This is what my audience get to see. If I have, any other applications, for example, I've got a PowerPoint. If I bring PowerPoint to the front, that is being shared. So basically, whatever you have, whatever you can see on this screen is being shared to your audience. Now let's say you don't want to share your whole screen with your audience. You just want to share a presentation or a particular window, right? To do that, I'll go back to the share screen icon again. I'll click on that. Once I click on that, instead of sharing a screen, this time I'll click on the window. Now, this is the PowerPoint presentation that I want to share with my audience. So once I click on that, so you'll find that although I have the Teams window, in front of the PowerPoint, but my audience won't see this window. They only see the PowerPoint. So whatever applications you open on this screen won't be shared with your audience. Your audience will only see whatever window you are sharing, which in this case is your PowerPoint presentation. Now let's say you want to share a video with your audience. You might be a teacher who wants to share some video contents with your students, or you maybe want to present something to your audience and you want them to listen and see the videos that you are sharing with your audience. Now to do that, we go back to the share content tray. We click on the share content. Now this time, because we are playing a video, we need to make sure to enable this option, which is include computer sound. So when you do that, when you enable this option, whatever you're playing on your computer, whatever sound is coming from your computer will be shared with your audience. Because you're playing a video, we want to make sure that your audience can hear whatever is playing within the video. Now, once you've done that, let's click on the window again. Now I want to share a YouTube with my audience. I want them to basically learn how to create Teams meetings in Microsoft Teams. So when I play that video, obviously they can see the video and they can also hear whatever is coming out from the video. To make it more better, I can basically go full screen and my audience will see the full screen option then. So, this is the whole video which is playing, which is really handy for you to basically share the whole videos. It could be from YouTube or from any other application playing on your computer, or a great feature for teachers, because these days, as this is remote learning, and as a teacher, you might want to share something with your students and you want them to listen to it and see whatever is playing. Alright, so we learned about how you can share your Windows or maybe YouTube videos in Teams meetings. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit like and leave comments if you want me to cover any of the topics. Consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this in future. That's it for today. I hope to see you next time.